Today, I'll show you how to create a body energy scanning effect in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline. Now, we need to apply the effect right when the character starts the action to make it look natural. Go to the effects panel and search for light dissolving. Drag and drop the effect above your video clip and position it exactly where you want the energy scan to begin. You'll instantly see the effect in action, giving a futuristic scanning glow. Now, let's customize it. Click on the effect and go to the right side editing panel. Here you'll find three important sliders: color. Change this to match your scene's mood. You can go for a neon blue for a sci-fi look, red for an intense scan, or any other color that fits your theme. Glow. This controls how much the effect stands out. A higher value makes it look more vibrant and intense, while a lower value gives a subtle scanning effect. Speed. Adjust how fast the energy scan moves. A higher speed gives a quick futuristic flash, while a lower speed makes it look like a slow, detailed scan. Play around with these settings to get the perfect body energy scanning effect. And that's it. You've just added a cool textile scanning effect to your video in Filmora. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Filmora tips.